Imagine having the power to manage every device in your organization, securely, efficiently, and from anywhere. That's the promise of Microsoft Intune. Intune is a modern cloud-based solution designed for device management and app protection. Its core mission is simple: enable businesses to control company data, keep devices compliant, and empower employees to work securely on any device. So how does it work? Intune lets IT teams set rules and policies for mobile phones, laptops, and tablets. Through a single dashboard, administrators can deploy software, enforce security settings, and manage devices across iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS. With Intune, employees get seamless access to work resources, while the company stays protected against threats and unauthorized usage. The advantages are clear. Intune reduces the complexity of device management, saving time and resources. It strengthens security by enforcing company policies, even on personal devices, helping organizations meet compliance requirements. With automated updates and remote support, IT teams gain flexibility and control, while employees benefit from a smooth and secure user experience. Microsoft Intune is not just technology, it's a strategic asset. It elevates organizational security, simplifies management, and boosts operational efficiency. For businesses seeking a smarter way to manage devices, Intune delivers clarity, confidence, and complete control.